Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to fix identity theft issues with credit bureaus step by step, ensuring your financial security isn't compromised. Identity theft can be a stressful and overwhelming experience, but knowing how to address it effectively can help restore your credit and peace of mind. Welcome to our channel, and let's walk through the essential steps to fix identity theft issues with credit bureaus. First, identify any fraudulent activity by carefully reviewing your credit reports from the three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can get a free report from each bureau once a year through annual credit report.com, or more frequently. If you suspect identity theft, next report the fraudulent accounts or charges to the credit bureaus. Immediately, you can do this by filing a dispute online, by mail, or by phone. When submitting your dispute, include a clear statement that the information is inaccurate due to identity theft, and provide any supporting documents such as police reports or identity theft affidavits. After filing your dispute, request a fraud alert be placed on your credit file. A fraud alert warns potential creditors to verify your identity before opening new accounts. It typically lasts for 1 year and can be renewed once confirmed. The credit bureaus will investigate your claim and update or remove any incorrect information from your credit report. Make sure to follow up regularly and keep records of all communications while the process is ongoing. It is also a good idea to report the identity theft to the Federal Trade Commission (FTC) through Identity Theft.gov. This not only creates a record, but can provide you with a recovery plan tailored to your situation. Consider placing a credit freeze on your accounts, which restricts access to your credit reports, preventing new creditors from viewing your file without your permission. A credit freeze is highly effective in stopping new fraudulent accounts from being opened. Additionally, contact your financial institutions, notify them of the fraud, and follow their procedures to secure your accounts by changing passwords and setting up extra verification steps. Keep monitoring your credit reports regularly, even after the issue has been resolved, to catch any further suspicious activity. Early identity theft recovery requires patience and persistence, but by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to reclaiming control over your financial identity. Remember to maintain organized records of all your actions and communications for future reference. Finally, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more valuable tips.